Who led the Orioles in RBIs in 2023? How many World Series titles have the Orioles won? Which former Oriole hit 50 home runs in 1996? What was Cal Ripken Jr.'s batting average in his 1983 MVP season?